Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to add a background color to your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded now, let's go to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Open. This should now take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, now go to Open. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to the first slide, go to the top right corner where we have Format, click on this. This will allow us to change the background color. At the moment, the background color is white. We can change this to gradient fill. If we wish to, we can simultaneously change every slide at the same time. Control Z to revert back to its original color. Highlight all the slides on screen. Go back to color fill, change to gradient fill. And there we go. Command S to save. Quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.